roll. Number 3. Number 3, drop pass. Designated. Wala, nawala yung number 34. Number 34. Two teams, stacking po tayo. Number 0, drop. Basket yan. Napaka-easy lang para kay number 0. Easy-easy lang ang basketball. Both teams. Warning tayo, both teams. Takin, tap out. Number 3. Patakin po tayo. Idol, pakayos ng takin natin. Number 0. Pass to number 10. Take 3, no good. Nakuha number 31, number 31. Pass to big man, back to point guard. Number 24. Back to number 3, drop pass. Pero nakagaw. Nakagaw din ni number 27, number 27. Number 10, kick out sa labas. Wala, nakuha number 31. Pass to number 24. Number 24 on right. Number 24 penetrates. Wala pa rin, nakuha rin number 27. Number 27, pass to Tropa. Cross over. Using the backboard. Grabe sila idol. Number 2. Number 3, may tanga ng bola. Number 3. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 34, number Esa. Drop pass na ilalim. Foul. Foul on number 37. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 24. Safe ball ang tawag na ating record. Intercepted by number 0. Tumatakbo na po sila ng box play. Pass to number 10. Number 10, napakabilis. Wala. Nakuha ni number 0 naman. Back to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 2. Basket na naman yan para kay number 2. Both teams bench na rin. Idol, upo kayo. Both teams bench. Upo tayo. Upo. Idol, upo tayo. Upo. Upo, idol. Number 30. Number 30 crossover. Both teams. Sa Tagalog, Pink Popper, bench decorum. Technical, sir. Technical.
Labas tayo dyan!
Shooting. Technical free throw for number 10. Zero pala. Both teams, upo tayo sa bench ha. Number 3. Pass to number 24. Pinangka. Pero siya ang bumalik. Nakuha ni number 30. Pass to number 20. to number 30. Line ball. Ang tawag ng ating matubinong Morreger. Number 3. May taka na ball. Number 3 crossover. Dominis Carter. Number 3. Pull-up jumper. Pasok niya. Para kay number 2. Pinaisigan lang. Simple lang daw ang basketball. Sabi ni number 2. Number 0. Number 0. Using the feet. Pass to number 27 ba yun? Pasok niya. Audible run. Mandatory change 5. Number 14, setting a play. Back to number 14, setting a play again. Intercepted by number 15, napakabilis. Number 15, pinalong bilis. Wala ba na? Pero paano yan by number 30? Basket yan. Number 8. Number 8. Same ball ang tawag ng ating referee. Number 8. Pass to number 14. Team drop. Wala. Number 19. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Hindi sinanggaw. Number 55. Kapwa sa ilalim. Oh! Traveling moves. Bawal yan, idol. Wala pa tayong passport. Number 14, traveling yan, idol. Number 55, that's a set and play. Number 55. Pass to long hair. Wala. Nakawani. Nawala number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Diretso. Pass to number 4. Easy lang daw. Number 4. Kalma lang tayo, pare. Number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 11. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. I-set lang natin to. Sabi ni number 11.
High
Pass
vision.
to number 8. Pasok yan. Para kay number 8. Number 55. 55. Setting a play. Making a beat. What a crossover by 55. Crossover again. Pass to number 30. Napakaganda. Pick out nun. Wala. Number 3. Number 3. Foul. Foul number 11. Illegal use of hands. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 3. Pass to Mr. Longhair. Wala na nakuha ni. Number 18 pa rin si Kuya. Number 30. Inbound play. Pass to number 3. Traveling tayo, idol. May pivot foot ka na kasi, idol. Number 8. Tumingin ang pick kay number 40. Drop pass kay number. Tumakita. Tumama sa pa. Number 10 pala yun. Inbound play by number 10. Pass to number 4. Number 4 mahulog ang bola. Pass to number 14. Team drop na naman. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 18. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Takbuhan na naman. Para sa Gray. One nice pass. Wala lang. Nakuha ni number 4. Pass to number 4. Number 18. 18. Spin move. Pass to number 14. Intercepted by number 18. Pero nakuha pa ni number 14. Drop pass. To number 4. Number 4. Wala. Nakuha ni number 55, kalma lang daw. Pag-aala natin, napapagod na ako eh. Easy lang tayo. Sabi ni number 55. Number 55. Pass to number 18. Number 18, quick. Wala. Number 18, pumasa. Breakaway shot. Wala. Number 20. Number 30. Pero out of bounds. Ang tawag ng ating referee. Oras po natin last 37 seconds. Number 11, easy lang. Kunin natin ang last shot. Pass to number 4, pass to number 4. Wala, nakuha ni number 3. Ayun na, tumatakbo na naman ang play. Number 18, wala, maray nakuha number 30. Foul! Who's ball right? Number 4. Pushing foul on number 4. Number 4, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 30, shooting 2. First basket. Second throw. Wala. Nakuha yung number 30. Running time po tayo. Idol, kunin yun yung bola. Number 8. No good. End of our first quarter. Official score. Number 28. May taka ng bola. Number 28 setting a play. Pass to number 10. Back to Pima. Pasok yan. Para ay number 26. What a power move. 20. That's his second play. Pass to number 3. Take 3. Basket yan. Para ay number 3. Number 10. Same ball ang tawag ng ating referee. Blind pass yan para ay number 10. Ingo play. Pass to number 10. Number 10 take 3. No good. Number 3. That's the rebound. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Pass to number 9. Number 9 easy lang daw. Back to number 3. Number 3 take 3 again. Official score all 13. Number 4. Pass to number 12. Interact to line number 3. Number 3. Number 3 penetrating the basket. Number 3 penetrating the basket. Kick out sa labas. Pero hindi na sa loob. Nagpangti niya. Miss Kun. Saka na pa. Idol, third quarter pa tayo pwede mag-sap. Traveling yan, Idol. Basta may pivot foot ka na. Lip-tick, pivot foot. Number 28. Foul number 36. Easy lang yan para kay number 12. Number 28 setting a play. Miscommunication again. Got by number 12. Number 12 crossover moves. Pero nabitawan niya yung bola. Madulas yung bola, sabi niya. Sorry daw sa mga kampi niya. Number 3 ball play. Pass to number 28. Number 28 setting a play. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 2. Bang, bang, bang! Number 36, kick out. Take 3, no good. Same ball ang tawag ng ating referee. 11 seconds to shoot. Last 11 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 25. Number 25 tumatakbo pero makikita ni number 4. Idol, crossover, crossover. Wow, what a nice move. Pero nabitawan niya ang bola, drop pa sa ilalim. Tukod sa kabila. Grabe naman yung tandem na yun. Number 28. 8 seconds violation. Volleyball red. Mandatory substitution. Pasok 5. Number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1 setting a play. Pass to number 24. Take 3. No good. Now ay number 24. Number 24. Easy lang daw tayo. Set natin ng maayos pare. Kalma lang. Back to number 24. Pass to, hindi kumain na yung number ni Idol. Number 30, take 3. Pinaril pa ang mga kampi. Umuulan ng 3 points dito sa Colinas. Number 1, penetrating the basket for the side-stepping move. Foul! Basket! Basket now. Foul number 31. Palmstro. Number 31, first personal foul, first team foul. Correction, second team foul ng white. Intercepted. Pero nakuha pa rin nila. Number 20, volley play. Pero that is my house now. Sabi ni Tropa Idol. Stepping on the line. Grabe, sabi ni Idol, hindi pwede yan dito, Idol. Number 30. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pull up. Wala. Nauwa ni Idol. What a nice move by Idol. Idol number 34. Number 34. Hindi na nakayawa. Sabi ng kampe. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 27. Crossover, pati yung referee sa ganda ng laro. Number 0. Pati yung referee yung Euro step. Nadadala sa galawan. Sobrang intense ng laro, napakainit. Dito lang yan. Sa Colinas, Verdes. Number 10. Take 3. No good. Pass like that. Number 10 takes the rebound and take 2. No good. Spin move na naman. Pass replay yan. Bang! Easy 2 points. Number 0. 0 to number 34. Napakagandang play. Number 24. Pass to number 24. Number 24 setting a play. Easy lang daw. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Hustle din na naman by number 1. Napaka-hustle ng tao na to. Number 24. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin number 1. Hindi pwede yan. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin yung number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 10. Drop pass to number 27. Hinalo ng laki. Pero wala. Nakuha pa rin number 27. Pass on over zone. Back. Oh. Foul on number 27. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 33. No good. Now right, number 10. Number 10 back to number 24. Number 24 attacking the basket. Pero bintang bumagal. Drop pass to number 27. Ginamit na naman ang laki. Hinugot sa kabila. Nagawa ng kampe. Pero nakagawa ng kalaban. Number 0 penetrating the basket. Foul! Bonus throw. Foul on number 31. His second personal foul. Warning for a penalty. First free throw is not good. Second free throw, now open for there. Wala. Intercepted by number 24. Napakasipag ng three. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 27. Number 27. Hindi ako papayag na makashoot kayo basta-basta. Number 24. Number 24 na Versa. Ginamit ang katawan. Foul. Foul. Handshake foul. Handshake foul on number 1 is first personal foul. Second team foul. Number 0. Basket play na naman. Takbuhan na naman para sa mga naka-tray. What a nice side-stepping move. Pero drop pass na pala. Nakuha ni number 1. Hustle play na naman. Pero pinapa sa labas. Pinasa sa kampi na nasa bench. Last 38 seconds. Last 38 seconds. Number 10. Easy lang tayo mga pre. Bagalan lang natin. Sabi ni Idol Trend number 10. Last 26 seconds. Easy lang tayo mga pre. Sabi ni number 3. Okay, akong bahala. Ito, 3 points para sa'yo. 3 points by number 30. Last 10 seconds. Number 1, setting a play. Number 1, babawi kami ng 3 points. Pero may lang. Foul. Number 27, holding foul. Number 1. Zero. No good. Okay, inbound play. Pass to number 1, the Mr. Hustle. Number 10, take 3, no good. Now ay number 11. Number 11 is speed move, pero kalahan nila. Number 12, drop pass, no look pass, pero intercepted. Number 1, number 1. Number 1. Yan, nilamig daw. Both teams, pwede na tayo mag-sub. 3 to shoot. Wala na po tayo mandatory 5. Wow! What a run the moves and drop pass! Wala! Nakuha ni! Number 12! Number 7 on the power rebound. Pass number 36, his second personal foul. First team foul. Number 11, power move again. Offensive foul on number 11. Now play with number 1. Number 1. As he moves. Pass to number 10. Libre si number 12. Wala. Number 12 to number 12. Nagpasahan. Kaso pinagtayan ni number 36. Number 55, number 55. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass is foul on number 26. Foul on number 12. Hit foul. Number 12. His first personal foul. Okay, set. Hold the ball record. Substitution. Pasok in, labas up. Number 30 to number 55. And number 27 to number 12. Number 2. Basket down, foul on number 12. At 11, third personal foul. Second team foul. Yung magsasamang pagka-time out, tapit mo dito sa lang ng COVID. Number 10, 2 points. Time out. Wait. Minutes, 26 remaining time. Last 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Foul on number 12, hit foul. Number 27, shooting 2. Control violation. Hold the ball, ref. Substitution. Pasok in, labas up. Pasok. Number 24 and number 1. Number 31. Number 24. Number 24 in. Go na sir, go. Foul on number 30, illegal use of hands. First personal foul. 13 foul. Hold the ball, rep, substitution. Foul on number 12, pushing foul. Second personal foul. Hit foul on number 30, number 7, number 27, shooting 2. Number 30, second personal foul. Hold the ball, rep, substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Rep, who's foul, rep? Foul on number 25. First personal foul. 13 foul. Number 2, 2 points. Number 30, 3 points. Hold the ball, ref. Pasok in, labas out. Hold the ball, ref. Pasok in, labas out. Number 3, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 12 seconds. Number 3, penalty. Foul on number 3, his first personal foul, penalty. Hold the ball. Idol, patakin ako, number 28. Number 29, 2 points. Very good. Last 30 seconds. Time to shoot. Foul, shooting 2. Foul on number 18, holding foul. Shooting 2. Remaining time, 19.5 seconds. Five seconds. Deep foul on number 10, shooting 2. Number 10, first personal foul, first deep foul. Out of bounds. Big foul on number 4. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 3, out of the playing court. Shooting team plus ball possession. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Number 24, Jude Moore. Number 24, paayos po ng takin. Number 24, white, paayos po tayo ng takin. first personal foul. Second team foul. Pushing foul on number 12, shooting 2. Number 12, third personal foul, third team foul.
Basket isa.
Foul on number 4, holding foul. Number 4, third personal foul, second team foul. Number 4, 2 points. All the way. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Last 3 minutes. Hold the rep. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Last 2 Offensive foul on number 12. His third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 11 for 3. Number 11, illegal use of hands, his fourth personal foul. On the rep, substitution. On the rep, time up. Nasubaybayan na ang SC, SJ Alumni Basketball League Season 1. Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Continue to shoot. Save ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Deadlock na po tayo. Deadlock. Last 11 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Dito lang yan sa ating SC